Notion I Enterprise Team Marketing Pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion I Enterprise Team Marketing is built for marketing teams that need centralized content management, AI-powered writing assistance, and collaborative workflows. Most people get this wrong. They think Notion is just a note-taking app, but the Enterprise plan offers advanced AI features, workflow automation, and team collaboration for large organizations. Pricing is customized based on the number of users, AI usage, and Enterprise features. Enterprise users gain access to unlimited AI content generation, shared team workspaces, advanced permissions, priority support, and integrations with other marketing tools. Key features include AI-assisted content drafting, task and project management, shared templates, and workflow automation. Marketing teams can plan campaigns, generate copy, and manage content approvals all in one platform. For example, a digital marketing team can draft blog posts, generate social media captions, and manage campaign workflows while ensuring all work adheres to brand guidelines. The main advantage is combining content creation, project management, and AI assistance in a single platform. Enterprise-level features streamline collaboration, maintain brand consistency, and improve team efficiency. In conclusion, Notion AI Enterprise Team Marketing Pricing reflects the value of an integrated platform designed for enterprise marketing operations. For organizations seeking scalable content management, AI support, and streamlined collaboration, this plan provides the tools and support necessary for success.